Hi, I'm going to show you how the if-else primitive works, but I strongly suggest that you first watch the video tutorial about the if primitive and then come back and watch this one. The if-else primitive acts as a conditional statement. If-else works as follows. Lynx will run the first list of instructions if the condition is true, and then Lynx will run the second list of instructions if the condition is false. In other words, Lynx will either do the if instruction or the else instruction, but never both. If-else is helpful if you want your code to make decisions based on certain conditions. Do I do this or do I do that? Here's a way to think about how if-else works. If it's raining, take an umbrella. If it's not, leave umbrella at home. Here's an example. If-else heading equals 0, right 90, left 90. In this example, the condition is heading equals 0. The first list of instructions is right 90, and the second list of instructions is left 90. Since it was true that the turtle was heading in the 0 direction, the first list of instructions was executed and the turtle turned right. Now if I go back to the if-else line and press enter again, the turtle is no longer heading in the 0 direction, so the second list of instructions was executed and the turtle turned left. Here are more examples. If-else heading is less than 180, set shape 10, set shape 7. The turtle takes Terry Fox shape 10 when it's heading anywhere from 0 to 179 degrees. Otherwise, it takes Terry Fox shape 7. Type this in the command center. Set heading 270. Now run the if-else line again. Since the turtle is no longer pointing in the 0 direction, the second instruction is executed and shape 7 is selected. You can use if-else for other things like, if the answer to a question is correct, go to the next page. Otherwise, display a message using the announce primitive or go back one page. If-else instructions are often used in video games to determine if you want to play the game again. Take a look at Project 6 in the PDF Lynx, Projects for Learning to Code in the Help section of the Lynx homepage. Remember to look at the Lynx sample project for if-else. That's it for now. Thanks. Until next time.